ng ating nakikinig ngayon. I'm in the Senate with the other senators. We're having a caucus. Nabalitaan po namin na allegedly may mga taga-NBI na gustong pumasok. We nakita na nagbabarena ng pinto galing ng walls galing dun sa GSIS side. So we have our security here. Papasalamat kami sa PNP, outside and inside meron. Nandito ang Marines, but ito po ang emergency. Nagkaputukan na po. May report ako from the Sergeant at Arms. So the NBI is denying na tao nila, pero nagkaputukan na. So we don't know what's happening. Everyone's locked in their rooms now. We cannot go out. We cannot secure our other staff. Senator Bato, Senator are together. Walang sumasagot from the government, from us. This is the Senate of the Philippines. This is the Senate of the Philippines. May putukan na po dito. So sa lahat ng nakikinig, please, DND, DILG, what is happening? NBI, what is happening? Why are we under attack here? I don't know what's happening, but I do not know if I can keep my people safe here. I'm willing to go out. I'm willing to face anyone who is going to serve the warrant or do whatever. I told you, you're welcome to serve. But do not do this. So please help us. Please let us know what is happening here. I will repeat po, kinonfirm ng ating Sergeant at Arms na nagkaputukan na po. Many senators here have the numbers of the AFP Chief of Staff, etc. We're trying to get in touch, no? So far po, nagpe-perform yung Marines dito, yung OSAA, yung police sa labas. But inside the building, we do not know what's happening. I'm sorry, I have to do it this way. Hindi po namin malaman kung ano nangyayari. So, I'm relying on your prayers po, and I'm relying kung may nakikinig from the government here, what is happening po dito sa Senado. We have received the article of impeachment po. It is here. We are having a caucus how we will address that. So why is this happening at bakit may putukan nga dito? Please, someone respond, call us, let us know what's happening. Okay, so si Senator Loren at si Senator Pia finally got in touch with the NBI director. So they're here, they're here in the room. We have to turn off the lights dahil may putukan na nangyayari. Si Senator Pia and si Senator Loren called the NBI director. He said wala daw sila dito dahil pinaalis daw nila dito. So he said, please find out what's happening kasi nagpuputukan. Sabi niya walang magagawa kasi pinaalis. And then he started saying, wag kami magtaas ng boses. What will you do, Director, kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga OSAA mo naka-vest na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari? What would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Loren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. Tapos sabi niya, hindi kami makalapit, pinalis nyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, well then do your job, make us safe, this is not good. Ma'am, wag mo ako sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, wag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotion.
So, I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So, the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin? We're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi lang dadating na. So, again, no? Kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. The Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito. So please, kung sinong nanonood, sinong nakikinig, we expect yung tawagan namin would understand the emotions here and will say we'll do something about it. No? So the rest, mga nasa Senate, turn off the lights, stay low. Kung may active shooters, follow the protocols. Salamat sa Diyos, salamat sa prayers nyo. So far, everyone is safe. So far, walang balita po na anyone got hurt from the gunshot. So let me update you. First of all, kalma muna lahat. Kanina po, I was forced to manawagan through the Facebook because there's no other means of communication. Even now, I want to be in front of the Senate media, pero sinesecure pa yung ibang areas and I think they're downstairs. So, Secretary Remulla of SILG, of the DILG is here. General Aberin of the NCRPO are here. Secretary Teodoro called us and President Marcos called us, assuring us it wasn't government and kinakamusta kung ano takbo ng mga kung kamusta, kung nandito na si Sec John Vic and to make sure the investigation is independent. So I'm just talking to everyone to tell you, one, thank you sa inyong prayers. Two, we're here. Most of the majority senators are here. Senator Bato, dun sa nagtanong, Julbert Urbista, si Sen Bato is secured, he's okay. Aakyatin namin ni Sec Remulla, hindi siya arestuhin ngayon. They will respect the Supreme Court's decision of giving 3 days each na mag-comment, no? So, anyone who has information of what happened, anyone na nakakita dun sa mga nag-attempt pumasok at yung mga bumaril pabalik dito, please send us that information. Napaka-importante that the truth comes out and napaka-importante we don't jump into conclusions. I told you, everyone, dumating yung articles of impeachment. We don't want any speculation that this has any connection with anything, whether it's the Senate majority, whether it's the articles of impeachment, politics, personal dito, but this is the first time na nakaramdam ng ganito ang Senado, no? So we will report back through the media when we have time, but we're okay po. So sa lahat po ng nagtatanong, no? But we will start the investigation. We will let people leave when we're sure they're not suspects and when everyone's safe. But right now po, akyatin muna ng Senator Bato to make sure he's okay.
Atras ha, luto na kayo.
Sorry na.
Napalakas ang boses, sir. Thank you.
Kasama ko lang ang mga senador ngayon at nagpulong-pulong kami para makita talaga ako ano nangyari. Ang chronology of events at approximately 7:46, armed men tried to enter through the second floor but were stopped by the OSA. They had firearms with them, but the OSA fired a warning shot. They retreated at the back and then started firing indiscriminately into the air. Now, we do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. Number two, there are no casualties. None. No one was hit, no one is wounded, no one was killed. Number three, we are in the process of determining who is behind this. We have instructed the GSIS and the Senate building, the Senate staff to secure all CCTVs. Our mission here, the President sent me here, number one, to secure the senators. There is no politics at this time. In these times of turmoil, politics goes out the window. We all belong to one country and we all will lead one nation. The President has given strict instructions. Secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear. Let me make that very clear to his family. I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find them. We have all the security footages, and I'm here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them.
What's the motive?
First and foremost, we thank God that everyone's safe. We'd like to thank the President, Secretary Teodoro, Secretary Remulla, who personally came here, Chief PNP Narsatis is here. So as you know, last Monday, nag-request po tayo ng PNP just to make sure na yung investigation natin with NBI, that there will be no untoward incidents. So at around 6:45, 7 o'clock, some senators got warnings na umuwi na. At nagtataka kami what that meant. So sabi ko, please don't believe that because the last thing anyone wants is yung gulo. At around that time, we got information, about an hour before that, we got information, parating na dito yung articles of impeachment. So we decided to extend our focus and to mag-meeting na how we can prove by actions yung sinabi namin that this change in leadership is not about politics, it's not about impeachment. So at around that time na sinabi ni Sec. Remulla, we heard noises, akala ni Senator Villanueva, paputok, fireworks, and I even went to the window at kinagalitan nga ako ng sister ko dahil we don't do that. But after a few minutes, may paputok na naman, then we smelled and then I was already watching TV, hindi ko na ma-contact. And then tumawag yung USAA na, sir, confirmed na may shooter, hanggang dun lang. By that time, tumawag na si Sec. Remulla that calm everyone down, but we're on our way, make sure na papasokin kami. So we agreed on a objective, comprehensive investigation. I expressed to the President, who was a senator before he became President, Sec. Remulla, that of course the safety of my colleagues is very important, but yung integrity din ng Senado. The building is more than a building. In fact, it's not even a building, it's GSIS. But it represents the democracy of our country. So I'd like to thank you, kayo din sa media. No? I know you're also confused, but you decided to stay. So in the next few days lang, make sure lang na hindi tayo ma-infiltrate until we get to the bottom of this. No? So the OSAA and the PNP under the direction of myself and Sec. Remulla is now going floor by floor, and we'll do the same sa kabilang building. We won't say any more operational details, but we will try to make sure na safe. I'll be here tomorrow. That's if I go home tonight. No, I'll be here and we'll brief you further. No, so we'll stop there. Pasensya lang po kayo. We'll stop muna sa details. Mahirap po na iba-ibang magpa-interview. So I'm directing the staff, no, not to tell a lie, not to tell the whole truth, and to make sure nga that we cooperate with the PNP in their investigation.
Who are the shooters and how many, sir? How many shooters, sir? How many?
Again, okay, we still have to determine through CCTV footage kung ilan talaga sila.
Opo.
So, we cannot answer that with any definitive witness.
Paano po nakapasok? Paano po nakapasok?
Sir, USAA yung una nagpapatok warning shot.
Warning shot, Saan gave a warning shot, and in their retreat, they started firing into the air. That's as far as we know. Okay? That is not conclusive. We still have to review the footages.
We'll stop at the word suspect kasi pag nilabel namin yun, eh, meron ng conclusion na rin yung iba. But we told Sec. Remulla kung sino ang suspect, kung ano suot, kung ano ang sinasabi nilang kung sino sila. But
Perceived NBI daw? Perceived NBI, sir?
We'll not confirm.
No questions, sir.
No,
Stop
it's okay questions, but forgive us because we don't want to say something na hindi mabawi. If government did this to government, we are in trouble. And I want that there's a presumption of regularity na hindi to gagawin ng kahit anong agency sa atin. Having said that, from the President down to the secretaries, ilan na rin silang tumawag, assures us that magiging independent at no holds barred yung investigation.
Perceived NBI po ba yung nakapasok? Perceived NBI ba, sir?
Please do not ask questions that are leading.
Pero sabi po kasi ni Secretary Mendoza, sir,
Do
Secdong.
not ask questions that are
How about
leading.
Sen Bato?
Please do not ask
Senator Bato de la Rosa, how is he, sir?
Bibigyan na lang sila ng details.
Senator De La Rosa has been informed that we are doing a sweep of the building. He has informed us that he wants to rest in his chambers. He is safe. He is with his security personnel. He has been informed of our activities. We have assured him that there is no warrant of arrest to be served. Okay? I am here to ensure the integrity of the Senate and to protect the protection of all the senators. Okay, please.
What's the, walang motive pa, sir, kayo
You
nakita?
cannot ask questions of any detail because we cannot have answers for that.
Even kung paano po nakapasok,
We
sir?
don't know either. We have to review
Kung nasa na
the
sila.
Sir, wala rin nag-pursue, sir, walang
Wala.
umabol.
There was a protection ng number one side.
One reason we cannot tell you, ongoing pa eh.
Tapos hindi pa
Ongoing pa.
naman-
There's two buildings. So it's ongoing and we don't want to also what you call this telegraph dun sa investigation. But we're all doing what we can. And Usa is there. The PNP, the Chief PNP, binigyan ng specific instructions ni SIL.
But the Senate is safe.
Sir, wala pa sir. Kahit isa sir.
Senate is safe, sir?
All the floors. We are sweeping all the floors. We have asked those non-essential personnel to leave, and we will investigate each and every person in that are not essential here.
May pasok po ang Senado bukas?
So far, yes. I'll decide mamaya. But so far, kasi nga dumating yung articles of impeachment at may meeting nga coordination ang lahat ng heads. Having said that, may I also appeal to any of you or anyone in the Senate, kung may videos kayo na you think it will help the investigation, submit it to us. Kasi maraming allegation, maraming denial.
We have FB Live, sir.
Yes,
We have FB
yes.
Live.
Please submit it to those. Kung meron kayong videos, please submit it to those for our investigation.
Sir,
No one was under custody.
Pero persons of interest meron.
Wala pa rin.
Sen, how about the articles of impeachment po? Kamusta? Was it secured?
It's secure, nakaalis na rin yung mga taga-house. I just assure you, kung ano na sa Constitution, ano sa rules namin, may precedence din to. It's just the first time, maraming speculation, pero meron po yan. But I will be interpreted to be talking politics, especially kami sa secretary. So I'll just assure you, kung ano ang rules, kung ano ang Constitution, ano batas, ano precedent, susundin natin.
SP, is the Senate safe? Is the Senate safe as of now?
We're making sure that it's now, but I can tell you, especially for me, that I feel na cargo ko yung lahat ng empleyado at lahat ng mga senador, lalo po yung walang kamalay-malay dito. It was, you know, I don't know how to describe it. You know, and at first, you know, if you get a call from me at this point in time, you wouldn't know that's an emergency. That's why I had to do it in Facebook.
So categorical safe na ang Senado?
Hindi namin masabi kasi I mean, it's secure. It's secure.
Secure.
But
All senators are secure.
All senators are
All
secure.
senators.
How many senators are inside, sir?
I think we were complete sa majority.
13?
Except she's
12.
anyone from the minority there. Parang wala naman yan. Unless may nasa opisina. Inside the...
You are all here right now? Yung 12? Nasa loob pa?
Yes.
Yeah.
Except for Sen Bato.
Yeah.
Senator Bato, Senator Bato.
Senator
How about Sen Robin?
upstairs.
Yes, also here. Also here. Pagod yung dalawa kasi they've been here the last 3 days.
Magsisiuwian po ba kayo, sir? Or dito lang
We'll
kayo?
coordinate muna with the PNP.
Kami na bala. I will
Advice naman.
It is my duty to ensure the safety of all the senators.
Okay.
Whether it is safe to go home or not, I will make that call.
Okay.
And I will make sure that they are safe to go home.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Salamat po.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Magandang hapon mga kababayan. Meron po tayong natanggap na impormasyon na pagkatapos sa aming session itong araw na ito, meron na po mga operatiba ng NBI at ng CIDG ang pupunta dito para ako yung aristuhin. Ako po yung nananawagan sa inyo. Sana tulungan nyo ako. Huwag po tayong papayag na another Pilipino ay dadalhin sa dahig. Pangalawa, kay Pangulong Duterte. Ako po nananawagan sa inyo na sana pumunta kayo dito, tulungan nyo kami, mag-vigil tayo dito sa harapan ng Senado. Ako po nakikiusap sa inyo, kung kayo'y meron pang puso para sa ating bansa, sana pumunta kayo dito. Ako nananawagan sa inyo. Lahat ng mga Pilipino na may puso para sa ating bansa, para sa kinabukasan ng ating bansa, pumunta na po kayo dito sa harap ng Senado at para mapigil itong kanilang plano na tayo ay aaristuhin at dadalhin sa dahig. Hindi po katanggap-tanggap yan para sa ating Pilipino. So mga kaibigan ko, lahat ng Pilipino, ako nanawagan sa inyo. Pumunta po kayo dito sa harap ng Senado at mag-vigil tayo. Hindi tayo papayag na another Filipino will be brought to dahig just because of politics. Ako po isang tapat na pulis, tapat sa serbisyo. Bakit nila ako ginaganito? Nanawagan po ko sa inyo mga kaibigan, kung kayo ay na-frustrated noon sa panahon ni Pangulong pagdala nila kay Pangulong Duterte doon sa dahig. Sana hindi na ito susundan pa. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan. Hindi po ako nanawagan ng violenting pag-aaklas. Ako po'y nananawagan ng isang peaceful na prayer rally dito sa harapan ng Senado. Kita-kita po tayo dito. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan. Thank you po. Maraming salamat talaga.
Hindi pa nga lumalabas yung hatol ng Korte Suprema. Andyan na. Bakit andyan na yung PNP helicopter at pumasok na naman yung NBI sa premises ng Senado? Andyan na naman sila eh. As a GSIS eh. Ano na naman ginagawa rito? Dadamputin na naman daw si Bato. Hindi tama yun eh. Ang proseso, ICC, Interpol, PCTC, pagkatapos nun, magwa-warrant of arrest ang korte na lokal na Pilipino, ang nasakop ang Pilipino. Anong klase ito? Anong sistema ito? Ba't sila nagmamadali? Kalokohan na to. Tapos sinasabi yung ICC, warrant daw, mas mabigat sa Senate resolution. Wala nga silang jurisdiction. Hindi nga tayo kasabi dyan sa ICC na yan. Anong pinagsasabi nito? At kami tinatakot ng tinatakot. Tapos susugurin na naman doon yung Senate. Ano ba to? O, nandito kami at nagsisiksikan kami sa isang maliit at madilim na sulok dito sa kwarto ng SP habang nagpuputukan pa rin sa gilid at nagtutulakan pagkat pilit na pumapasok yung mga NBI kung kanilang mga kasamahan na may mahahabang baril dala-dala at pinagsuot na nga ako ng bulletproof ng aking mga security. Ganun pa man, hindi tama itong nangyayari. Kung nais nilang dakipin si Senator Bato, hindi nila dapat ipinsala ang institusyon ng Senado, ang building ng Senado at ang mga senador. Hindi po tama itong nangyayari at nananawagan kami sa mga opisyal. Kung kayo ay busy o may ginagawa o kung ano-ano pa, pwede ba tulungan ninyo kami rito at nagpapasaklolo na yung mga senador ng ating republika.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat mga kababayan ko. Kasama po natin ang ibang senador ngayong gabing ito. At kanina po nagputukan po sa second floor. Update lang po sa inyo. Pagdasal niyo po kami rito sa Senado na hindi po magkagulo at walang masaktan. Nananawagan po ako sa ating mga kababayan na magpanatili ang kapayapaan dito po sa Senado. Dito po kami habang merong meeting na pinatawag po ang leadership ng Senado. Ay narinig po kami sa second floor kanina. Ingat po kayo. Pagdasal niyo po kami dito sa Senado.